China on Tuesday called for the international community's close attention to Japan's discharge of nuclear-contaminated water, warning that it may cause major problems to the global marine environment, public health, and a wider range of displacement problems.
日方冒天下之大不韪，强推核污染水排海，以经济成本为由选择向海洋排放，等同于向全人类转嫁核污染风险，将引发全球海洋环境和公众健康重大问题，造成更大范围的流离失所。
The diplomat said, quote, China once again urges Japan to stop the plan to discharge nuclear-contaminated water into the sea, dispose of it in a science-based, safe and transparent manner, and cooperate with the International Atomic Energy Agency to put in place a long-term international monitoring mechanism involving Japan's neighbors and other stakeholders as soon as possible.